Most traders make the same mistake. They look at one time frame, they see their setup, and they think that they understand the market, but smart traders know that one chart rarely tells the story. And that is why experienced traders use multiple time frames, not to make their trading more complicated, but to get more clarity. And the idea is pretty simple. The higher time frame is going to give you the overall trend. That middle time frame, it's going to help you find the setup. And the lower time frame, well, that's going to help you fine tune your entry. And this matters because lower time frames can be pretty noisy, especially depending on the market or instrument that you're choosing to trade. So a move that may look strong on a 5-minute chart, it could only be a small bounce inside of a larger downtrend. So if you're only looking at one chart, it's really easy to misread what's really happening. So instead of starting with the entry, smart traders start with context. They ask a simple question, and that is, what direction is the market moving overall? So let's say your higher time frame is bullish. Price is making higher highs and higher lows. That's going to give you a bullish bias, which means you're probably only going to be looking for buy setups, not some random sell against the trend. So then you just move down to your trading time frame, and this is where you look for your setup. Maybe price pulls back into a support level. Maybe it's retesting a previous breakout area. Maybe it's a continuation pattern, whatever it is. Well, then you go one time frame lower for the entry. Now, be careful here because you're not looking for a brand new trade idea. You are just looking for better time. So that could mean something simple. Price stops making lower lows. It breaks a small resistance level to the upside, right? Because we're looking bullish. Or it shows some other sign that buyers are stepping in. So now this trade has logic behind it. That higher time frame, it gave you direction. That middle time frame, it gave you structure where you're trading. And the lower time frame gives you your timing. Now that's what multiple time frame analysis really does. It helps you avoid these random entries, and you're going to make more structured decisions. Now there is a mistake that a lot of people make, and that's too many time frames. You do not need 6 charts open. For most traders, 2 or 3 is enough because oftentimes you can infer what's happening on the higher time frame by just looking at the lower time frame. So let's think about a day trader. Perhaps they use a 1 hour for the trend. They use a 15-minute for their setup, and their 5-minute, that's their entry chart. Swing trader, they may be looking at the daily chart, the 4-hour, and the 1 hour. So the key idea is this. Look at your higher time frame for the trend, the overall direction of the market. Your middle time frame, that's your setup. Your lower time frame, that's your entry. And that is how a smart trader is going to use multiple time frames to trade with more clarity. It's that simple. So I want you to comment below, which time frame do you trade the most? And make sure you subscribe for more simple trading breakdowns.
Everything discussed here is our opinion, and it is not to be taken as investment advice because we are not your financial advisor, nor have we considered your personal situation as your fiduciary. This presentation is for your education and entertainment only. Please review NetPicks full risk